Right, day 24, Harry Potter, what have you got for us? Let's see, we've got, ooh, okay, interesting. I'm going to build them, and not going to try and guess what they are. That is a minifig. Right, here we go, Marvel, day 24, what have you got for us? You've got a zappy Christmas tree looking thing, okay? Zappy Christmas tree, good description. Then Star Wars, if it's a ship, I'm going to throw it away. Yep, unbelievable. Okay, and then City, what have you got for us, City? I think you've got Santa for us, haven't you? Yes, you have. Santa Claus, yay, awesome. Right, so they're finished. Last one's gonna build it. Let's see what we got. I'll see you in a minute. All right then, here we go. So this is Dumbledore in a nice Christmas outfit, which is really awesome. I love this. I love Dumbledore's figure, it's really cool. So that's Dumbledore. Lovely detail on the printing. I mean, look at the back. That's really cool. Really, really nice. Okay. Then we got Santa. Of course, good old Santa. Had to be in one of the sets. Which is really cool. Nothing unusual about him, I don't think. And he's got his little Santa sack to take all the prezzies in. And then Star Wars Christmas ship. It's not even a tree, dude. It's not even a tree. Maybe it's supposed to look like Santa Claus. Who knows? It doesn't, but hey, you know. All right, and then the Marvel Christmas tree, which is okay, I suppose. It is what it is. Got like lightning bolts coming up from it, so you don't want to be touching that tree. Definitely keep the kids away from the presents. And that's it. So I'm going to announce what I think is the winner, and that is going to be City. I think the City sets were awesome. The next one I think is going to be Harry Potter in second place, because he's got some nice stuff that you can use in your other build. If you've got the big haul build, the new one, then you can use a lot of that in that, and it's got some nice minifigs. And third place, I'm going to say Marvel. Wasn't that good. It was okay. There's some good stuff in it, but not that much. And then last place was definitely Star Wars. Really disappointed in the Star Wars stuff. And that's my opinion. Let me know what you think. Did I choose right? First, City. Second, Harry Potter. Third, Marvel. Last place, and definitely last place. If anybody says that's wrong, then I need help, because this was just boring. Ship after ship after ship. I think we had maybe 2 minifigs. Maybe 2. Maybe. If we were lucky. That's really bad. That's so bad. Oh, another thing I forgot to point out to you was with the land speeder. I think if you look there, you've got two people, and I think that's going to be Luke and Obi-Wan. So there you go. Those 2 little things are supposed to be people, and I'm sure that's who it is, Luke and Obi-Wan. Anyway, I digress. Thanks for watching, and have a happy Merry Christmas. Have a great Christmas Eve, and I'll see you after Christmas, and have to start building some new stuff. Look forward to it. See you later. Have a good one. Bye bye.